When indoor track and field athletes come to Albuquerque, they don't just come to compete. They come to break records. And Albuquerque's new state-of-the-art indoor facility is designed to bring out the very best in every track and field athlete. From sprints and hurdles to shot put and high jump, athletes need the right surface to help maximize their performance so they can run their fastest and jump their highest. And Albuquerque's indoor track and field facility is world-class. The Albuquerque Convention Center is home to a 200-meter Mondo Oval installed in 2021 and ready for your next qualifying event or competition. Designed and manufactured in Italy, Mondo tracks are synonymous with excellence. In fact, Mondo has been an official supplier for 10 Olympic Games. The oval features 6 42-inch wide lanes with 12-degree banking and a 21-meter radius. The fast break infield includes 8 60-meter sprint lanes that are 48 inches wide. The pole vault, long jump, and triple jump are on raised runways with Mondo surfacing, and the throwing ring is a wooden surface. In addition, the facility at the Albuquerque Convention Center has bleacher seating for 2,000 fans, a state-of-the-art video board, and broadcast quality lighting. Albuquerque has long been the premier location for indoor track and field events and has hosted many prestigious championships at the convention center over the years. Our city's $3 million investment in the new indoor track will elevate the experience for athletes, coaches, spectators, and media. And along with a world-class facility, attendees will also be able to experience authentic cuisine, vibrant cultural experiences, and outdoor adventures in spectacular natural beauty during their visit to Albuquerque. To bring out their best performance, athletes deserve the best facilities. You'll find them in Albuquerque. To learn more, go to visitABQ.org/sports or call one of our sports sales managers at 800-733-9918.